Hey friends, if you wish to install and use OBS on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through all the possible procedures. So first of all, you can download it from the website. Simply search for OBS download in the Bing search bar or Google search bar. Go to the OBS project option and then click on download. And then you can click on download installer, but I am against this suggestion because it can push malware to your system. You must be knowing that OBS is a free software, and that means that there is not much of a monitoring authority over it. So here's my suggestion: open the Microsoft Store either from the system tray or search for it in the Windows search bar and open it, and then search for OBS in its tab here, and then you can click on OBS and then click on install. Now I have already installed it on my system because I'm using it for recording this video. So here are two things you can do with it. You can stream or you can record, but mostly OBS is used for recording. It is known as a screen recording software, and to record the screen, merely the screen, you can click on this plus symbol here and select display capture. If you wish to record a single window, you can select window capture. If you wish to add another mic to it, you can add on input audio capture, but that's not required because you already have the mic. Other than this, you can add a media source. Let's say that I want background music, so I can add background music using it. And if you want to add a camera, you can click on capture device, and okay, I'll show you. And then it will start adding the camera, and then you can click on this, and then you can make it short or make it bigger or whatever you want to. So this is one case, and then you can remove it. Right click on it and then select remove and then click on yes. Now this is about how you use OBS, but what about its settings? So click on file, select settings. Now considering that your purpose is recording and not streaming, go to the video section, make sure that the output resolution is to the highest. That's what I use. The default one is 720 pixel and no one likes that these days, so you can change it to 1080. Then change this FPS value to 24 NTSC unless you want to use slow motion effects in your clip later. Then go to output and make sure that the output is at MP4 if you want it for YouTube videos or anything else. MKV is a very large format. In the audio section, you can change whatever you want to regarding the audio. You can change its decay rate. You can change a lot of other settings depending upon your requirements. Now click on OK. There's one more setting I suggest everyone, and this should actually be used. So click on these three dots here, select filter, click on this plus symbol here and select the noise suppression filter, and keep this noise suppression filter at RN noise, good quality, more CPU usage. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video and we will investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.